Hey, I'm Andy. Let me ask you this. Are you planning to change your old washing machine? Check out the following review video, and you'll thank me after that.
KUPPET Compact Twin Tub Portable Mini Washing Machine, 26 pounds capacity, WASHER, 18 pounds and SPINER, 8 pounds, built-in drain pump semi-automatic, White&Blue. Large capacity. You can operate washer or spinner separately, and you can also run two sides on the same time. The two-tub design can meet your different needs. Total capacity 26 lbs, washer 18 pounds, spin cycle 8 pounds, for doing light to medium laundry loads. Built-in drain pump. Built-in drain pump drains dirty water by more longer drainage tube from washer. Drainage tube dimensions 56.3, more easier, suitable for most family. Easy storage and space-saving design. End timer control and powerful performance. Separate timer control for wash and spin operations. Wash timer for 15 minutes and spin timer for 5 minutes per load. You can set the time according to the amount of your clothes. This unit features a 1300 RPM powerful motor with a max frequency of 60 Hz. Save your time and wash more clean. Easy operation. Simple design of the operation panel. Wash timing, wash options, drain options, and spin timing, more easier to use. Allows you to simply put in your load of clothes, fill with water, set the timer and start washing. Completely suitable for everywhere. Washing capacity and specifications. Total capacity 26 lbs, washer 18 pounds, spin cycle 8 pounds. Overall dimensions 27.4, 16.1, 31.9 inches. Power supply 110 V60 Hz. Total power 420 W. Wash 280 with dry 140 W. Easy operation design and easily movable.
So thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.